Hi, welcome back. Yeah, I've been checking out this Bambu Lab A1 Mini printer. Right now, it's on sale for $199 for the base unit. Yeah, you can get the four color printer for 349 bucks. I'm more of a parts printer than I am like a multicolor printer, but I'm having a lot of fun checking this out. We took it out of the box. I haven't shown you how to set it up yet. Might make that video, but I spent this weekend learning how to change the filament, etc. Because I put some test filament in it, and it's like, well, how do I change the filament? And there's very little learning curve. You just do it through the front panel. There's videos on the internet covering that. But what I didn't know about was there is this Bambu Studio. This is where you do your slicing, and uh, you can actually connect it to your device, which essentially obviates the need for an Octoprint printer because the camera is already baked into the device itself. Yeah, and the camera is part of the Z axis. And let's see, I'm going to go ahead. Here's prepare. So this is where you're going to do your slicing. So I'm just going to, I've got some random part here. Let me get that, show you what we're printing. Yeah, it's just a little flag holder that you can bolt onto something and put a flag stick in here. And so I've already downloaded that STL file here. And let's go back into Bambu Studio. Drop my part in here. Now, all I've done is selected the printer, selected the build plate, and selected the filament. And I've switched on support. You can go in advanced and tweak all of this. You see the speed tab just appears as soon as you click advanced. But I'm just going to accept all the defaults. I'm enabling support, and that's it. Now you go to slice plate, and that's going to slice everything on the plate. And then at this point, I can just, oh boy, look at all its stats there. It's telling me, oh yeah, telling me everything about it. And then let's go ahead and print. Now this, you have to be logged into the portal because it actually goes up through the portal, sending print jobs through the cloud service, and that printer device is connected to the cloud as well. And here we go. You can see it's off and running. Printing progress is showing down here, showing me you're going to print that flag holder. It's loading up the video. It played its happy little tune there. And I'm not going to bore you watching this whole thing. It's going to go through a whole bunch of gyrations, heat bed, auto leveling, etc. But I just think this is really cool. This Bambu Labs Studio lets you prepare, upload, and monitor your print jobs. So this kind of obviates the need for an Octoprint print server. So all my other printers, I have to have a Raspberry Pi attached to them. In this case, I don't. It's already actually baked into this printer at this price right now at $199. You don't even need an Octoprint printer. You just log into Bambu Labs and get your Bambu Studio and hook your printer up to Bambu Labs. All right. Uh, it's pretty cool. Let me know if you want to see more about how to finish setting up the Bambu Labs A1 Mini and how to change the filament. I've learned that much so far, and I did learn about the Bambu Studio today. So leave a comment down below, give this video a like, and before you watch more of my 3D printing videos, please click on subscribe. Thank you very much.